welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CM Parrikar says he suspended mining operations temporarily, but Congress at centre stopped it completely. Assures to review buffer zone notification. Yet another leopard dies in Bori, 9 leopard deaths in last 1.5 years. Forest Department fails to protect rare wildcat facing man versus wild conflict. MOPA, a futuristic need of Goa. Parrikar clears that MOPA will cater to increase in air traffic in a decade, says Indian Navy base will not be shifted. Congress sidelines Walanka Alemao till Lok Sabha election is over. Xavier Fialo made in charge of Youth Congress till interim period. And trial court allows Tejpal to meet his ailing mother for an hour, directs not to meet any other family member or friend, no interaction with media. Now the news in detail. I had suspended mining operations temporarily, but Congress at the centre stopped it completely. Shah Commission report was approved in haste and Jayanti Natarajan issued notification stopping mining operations totally. Manohar Parrikar has taken on Congress in this media briefing on Wednesday. Parrikar assured that once BJP comes to power at the centre, government will rethink on the Kasturi Rangan report on Western Ghats. The new government will review predecessor's notification of closing down all type of mining activity in the eco-sensitive areas immediately.
काँग्रेस परत घेऊन खोटो प्रोपागंडा करता की मायनिंग ही ह्या सरकारान बंद केली म्हणून. पहिलो म्हणजे शाह कमिशन रिपोर्ट जेन्ना इल्लिगॅलिटी दाखयता तेन्ना गोंय सरकारान तात्पुरती बंदी खाणीचेर डेफिनेटली घाल्या. जयंती नटराजन डिक्लेअर्ड हियर दॅट शी इज कॅन्सलिंग सस्पेंडिंग ऑल द मायनिंग एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्सीस. 5 ऑक्टोबराक लेस दॅन 1 मंथ सुप्रीम कोर्ट बॅन्ड द मायनिंग. ह्या बफर झोनान ज्यो मायनी आसा तांकां 5 ते 10 वर्साच्या पिरियडान फेज आउट करच्यो म्हणून आमी एप्रुवल दिले. हो ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन आशिल्लो तो इट वॉज एज पर द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. ऑन 3rd March the draft notification has been again changed and another draft notification has been issued by the current environment minister Moili, which actually eliminates the phasing out period of the operations in the buffer zone. गोवा सरकारान एक असो निर्णय घेतलो की गोंया भायली जर मायन आसत ती गोंयच्या पोर्टांच्यान एक्सपोर्ट करूंक येता. हो एक्सपोर्ट जावपाक पयले परमिशन दिना फुडें आयज काँग्रेसचे उमेदवार जे दक्षिण गोंयान आसा एलेक्स रिजिनाल्ड हांच्यांनी सेंट्रल एनपावर कमिटीक तक्रार केली जाल्यार गोंयच्या ट्रकांक बार्जींक आनी एमपीटीक थोडे काम मेळटले आसले. त्यो सुद्दां पाड घालपाक काँग्रेसचो दक्षिण गोंयचो कॅन्डिडेट रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा. काँग्रेस नीड्स टू एक्सप्लेन दीस. ते व्हडले उलयतात पळय ते लोकांचे कानान घालता. खोटो प्रचार करता ते करता. तुमी हे सगळी लफडी जी केल्या त्या लफड्यांचे पयलीं लोकांक उतरां दिया. कस्तुरी रंगन रिपोर्ट जो आसा पळय इट पुट्स 109 villages of the state directly into the eco-sensitive zone, which is 40% area of the state. We are opposing it. It is not as per constitution because you cannot take away powers of the state government to rule the state. These drafts will be corrected when the BJP comes to power. The report will be reviewed from scientific studies. As of now, that report does not have any scientific base.
Yet another leopard death in Bori. 1 leopard was killed with gunshot, 1 had died due to cable trap. This time, another cable trap has claimed life of a wildcat again. The leopard was found dead near a cave in Adulshe Bori on Tuesday. His leg was broken and was entangled in a cable. This is 9th leopard death in last 1.5 years. Earlier, leopards' death have been reported from Keri Sattari, Varpai, Kankona and Bori.
A leopard was found dead near a cave at Adulshe Bori on Tuesday. It died in an attempt to free itself from the entangled cable. Its leg was broken. Locals had sighted this leopard near this cave on Saturday. Pictures of this leopard were also uploaded on the social media. The Forest Department was informed about the existence of leopard in this area. The search was on. Later it was found dead on Tuesday late evening.
भितर सामके भितर बारीक बुराक आसलो तर भितर बारीक आनी हे आसलो परत आमी सगळे आमचे परत हत्यारां सगळी घेवन ते आमी काडपाचे ते हे करपाक ते गेले तेन्ना तो नासलोलो तो पांजरो लावपाक मेळना जालो आनी
आता तुमकां खंय मेळ्ळो तो मेल्लो थंयच मेळ्ळो भितर
त्याच गोलीन परत मेळ्ळो
मेल्ले अवस्थेन मेळ्ळो
मेल्ले अवस्थेन मेळ्ळो आमी डे नायट पेट्रोलिंग करीत आसता कितें आमचो वरिश्ठ सुद्दां आमच्या वांगडा येतात आनी सगळे आमचे चालू आसता आमचे इन्फॉर्मेशन सगळे.
Leopard deaths are on rise in state. In last 1.5 years, total 9 leopards were found dead. 4 in Bori Ponda itself. One was killed with gunshot. One died in late trap at Tishe and Shirshire in Bori, and now the latest died again in a cable trap at Adulshe. Few months back, 2 leopards were found dead at Morle Sattari and at Brahma Karmari. Both had died after they got trapped in cable trap laid for a wild boar. 3 to 4 months ago, one female leopard was killed at Kankon in a similar way. 2 leopard cubs were also found dead with the mother.
शिकार जावपाचें प्रमाण वाडलां. लोकांक आमी सगळ्यान पयलें म्हणजे अवेरनेस आमी आतां स्कुलांतल्यान स्टार्ट कित्याक कित्याक व्हडल्या लोकांक सांगून काय उपयोग ना. सो आमची फुडली पिढी आसा स्कूल आनी कॉलेज तांकां जाता इतलें अवेरनेस करप. लोकांची प्रतिक्रिया आशिल्ली फॉरेस्ट कांय करिना गव्हर्मेंट कांय करना अशें ना. प्रत्येक मनशाची जबाबदारी आहा जशी फॉरेस्टाची आहा तशी आमची बी जबाबदारी आहा. सो सगळ्यांनी हात मेळून तें करचें पडटलें जाल्यारूच जातलें तें नाल्यार फुडें अशें चालू उरतलें.
Facing a man versus wild conflict, 9 leopards have been killed in various parts of the state, in villages, farms and some in jungles. Ironically, Forest Department continues conducting only post-mortems, no fruitful and effective attempts on ground to save the rare wildcat. With Bureau Inputs, Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has yet again declared that MOPA is the futuristic need of Goa. He said Indian Navy's base in Goa will not be shifted elsewhere as it is the need of the nation. CM has also claimed credit for retaining Daboli Airport and new terminus during Verna-Marmugao 4-lane project. Parrikar was addressing party workers in Vasco on Tuesday.
Daboli असोच हाच्यापेक्षा बरो जावन उरतलो पण त्याच बरोबर एक गजाल लक्षात धरा नेवल डिफेन्स हो अत्यंत आवश्यक आसा आणि त्यामुळे नेव्हीचे थंयच्यान वच म्हणून सांगप हे म्हज्या हिशोबान अशेंच शक्य ना आणि देशाच्या डिफेन्साच्या विरुद्ध ही राष्ट्राची गरज म्हणून दाबोळीक नेवल डिफेन्साची एअरक्राफ्ट हाडचीच पडटली ताका उपाय ना. म्हाका दिसता हाजेर कोण उलयत तर तूं जाल्यार खरें उलोवप आयकुपाची गरज ना. आशिल्ल्या डिफेन्स एअरपोर्टाचेर सिव्हिलियन मॅक्सिमम फॅसिलिटीज कश्यो करप ते आमचें सरकार करता. अनेक वर्सां भितर हो एअरपोर्ट जाम जालो. त्यामुळे मोपा हो फ्युचरिस्टीक म्हणजे फ्युचरांतलो रिक्वायरमेंट गोंयची पूर्ण करतलो जाल्यार मोपाची आवश्यकता आसा. हो असोच धरून हाचे पेक्षा बरो करून मोपा बांदपाक जर कोण तयार आसा जाल्यार तुमकां कित्याक दुख्ख जाता.
Parrikar said Mopa is a futuristic need to cater to the flow of air passengers which would exceed by another 10 million in next decade as compared to current 43 million.
आज तो दाबोळी आसा म्हळ्यार तो म्हज्या खातीर आसा. हांव हांगा छाती ठोक सांगता रस्तो केल्लो म्हळ्यार तो रस्तो वतलो असलो जाग्यार टर्मिनल आहा त्या वेळार हे कोण नाशिल्ले त्या वेळार आमकां कोणाची ट्यूबलायटी भेटूंक नासली. दाबोळीचें टर्मिनलूच जावचें नासलें प्रश्न जालो आसलो दाबोळीच काबार जातलो.
Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.